channel.
Today we will share information about around the sea world.
Let's explore the sea!
The astonishing world of hagfish. Today, we are diving deep into the mysterious underwater realm to explore the extraordinary creatures known as hagfish. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the fascinating secrets of these slimy marvels. Imagine a creature that defies all expectations, a true enigma of the deep. That creature is the hagfish. With its peculiar appearance and slimy behavior, hagfish have captured the curiosity of scientists and nature lovers alike. Join me on this incredible journey as we discover what makes hagfish so unique. Hagfish are eel-shaped, slime-producing marine fish, occasionally called slime eels. They are the only known living animals that have a skull but no vertebral column, although hagfish do have rudimentary vertebrae. Hagfish are jawless. The two form the sister group to jawed vertebrates, and living hagfish remain similar to hagfish from around 300 million years ago. The classification of hagfish was once the subject of debate. Was the hagfish a type of vertebrate that through evolution had lost its vertebrae? Most closely related to lampreys, or did the hagfish represent a stage preceding the evolution of the vertebral column? As is the case with lancelets, the alternative view. Recent DNA evidence has supported the earlier view. The original scheme groups hagfish and lampreys together as cyclostomes, or historically, agnatha. As the oldest surviving class of vertebrates alongside gnathostomes, the now ubiquitous jawed vertebrates. The alternative scheme proposed that jawed vertebrates are more closely related to lampreys than to hagfish, and introduced the category Craniata to group vertebrates near hagfish. Body features. Hagfish are typically about 50 cm in length. The largest known species is Eptatretus goliath, with a specimen recorded at 127 cm. While Myxine qua and Myxine peckinoi seem to reach no more than 18 cm. Some have been seen as small as 4 cm. Hagfish have elongated, eel-like bodies, and paddle-like tails. The skin is naked and covers the body like a loose sock. They are generally a dull pink color and look quite worm-like. They have cartilaginous skulls and tooth-like structures composed of keratin. Colors depend on the species, ranging from pink to blue-gray, and black or white spots may be present. Eyes are simple eye spots. Hagfish have no true fins and have 6 or 8 barbels around the mouth and a single nostril. Instead of vertically articulating jaws like gnathostomata, they have a pair of horizontally moving structures with tooth-like projections. The mouth of the hagfish has 2 pairs of horny, cone-shaped teeth on a cartilaginous plate that protracts and retracts. Pacific hagfish at 150 meters depth, California, Cordell Bank National Marine Sanctuary. Its skin is attached to the body only along the center ridge of the back and at the slime glands, and is filled with close to a third of the body's blood volume, giving the impression of a blood-filled sac. It is assumed this is an adaptation to survive predator attacks. The Atlantic hagfish, representative of the subfamily Myxininae, and the Pacific hagfish, representative of the subfamily Eptatretinae. The resting position of the Pacific hagfish also tends to be coiled, while that of the Atlantic hagfish is stretched. Slime. Now, you might be wondering, how do hagfish produce such an astonishing amount of slime? Well, here's the fascinating part. Hagfish have special glands along their body that secrete a gelatinous substance. When this slime comes into contact with water, it rapidly expands, creating a slippery, sticky mess. This slime that hagfish excrete has very thin fibers that make it more durable and retentive than the slime excreted by other animals. The fibers are made of proteins and also make the slime flexible. If they are caught by a predator, they can quickly release a large amount of slime to escape. Respiration. A hagfish generally respires by taking in water through its pharynx, past the velar chamber, and bringing the water through the internal gill pouches, which can vary in number from 5 to 16 pairs, depending on species. The gill pouches open individually, but in mixene, the canals running backwards from each opening under the skin, uniting to form a common aperture on the ventral side known as the branchial opening. The esophagus is also connected to the left branchial opening, which is therefore larger than the right one. Through a pharyngocutaneous duct, which has no respiratory tissue. This pharyngocutaneous duct is used to clear large pharynx. A function also takes place through the nasopharyngeal canal. In other species, the coalescence of the gill openings is less complete, and in Badelostoma, each pouch opens separately to the outside, as in lampreys. Remember, the natural world is full of wonders, and hagfish are just one of its many marvels. Join me next time as we embark on another exciting expedition to uncover more extraordinary creatures. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.
Thanks for watching this video.
Don't forget to like,
Comment,
share,
and subscribe this channel.
see you later!